Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Yesterday, despite durable goods order and home price data showed stronger than expected growth, traders are holding on to gains in yellow metal, which has showed more than 9% since mid-February, with traders still pricing in a 64 to 65% chance of a rate cut in June amid PCE index to be in highlight this week. Gold could remain volatile in the coming sessions amid positive bias to persist on a medium to long term basis. Technically, gold pivot is around 66,144. If gold surpasses 66,421, it has potential to reach to the levels of 66,675. And conversely, if it falls below 65,807, we might see downside to the levels of 65,553. Going ahead with base metal update, base metal might trade in a range due to stronger dollar and mixed performance in Asian stock market. This is also affected by low expectations for economic boost in China. These factors highlight the overall difficulties in metal markets amid changes in interest rates and global economic conditions. Technically, copper pivot is around 758. If copper breaks above 761, we may see upside to the levels of 763. And if it drops below 755, we might see downside to the levels of 753. Talking about energy update, although a slightly tighter market may keep upward bias intact in the short term, but in the immediate terms, market may be driven by inventory data, wherein we may see a buildup in US stockpiles. $78.50 may continue to act as major support, while resistance is seen around $83.50 for the week. Technically, crude oil pivot level is around 6,822. If crude oil rises above 6,855, we might see upside to levels of 6,886. And if it drops below 6,779, we may see downside to the levels of 6,748. On currency front, rupee is likely to open flat, although the Indian currency may face some pressure on the back of a decline in the offshore Chinese yuan that drag most Asian currencies lower. With no key US economic data expected, investors will keep an eye on remarks from Federal Reserve Board Governor Christopher Waller, slated to speak later in the day. Major event scheduled today is EIA crude oil inventories. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.